Welcome to Planter Garden TV. Pleasant good morning to each and every one of you this morning. I hope everyone is okay. I hope everyone wake up feeling blessed this morning. I hope you guys just doing fine. Alright, so let's get that out the way. So now let's talk about our water challenge. Don't forget about the water challenge, because I think it's very important for us to do this. So please don't forget about the water challenge. Encourage yourself, push yourself, make it happen, guys. Make it happen. It will be very beneficial to you. So make it happen, my people. Next, we're going to talk about the giveaway. Remember, there will be a giveaway on the 16th of April. So, remember the rules. You have to subscribe. You have to be active on the channel. And on that day, there will be a lucky winner to receive $100. So how you all doing today? I hope you all okay, because I'm here and I'm excited because my garden looking marvelous. Everything is on point. Everything is growing lovely. Yeah, this is my collard greens right here. Looking beautiful, guys. You know what I'm saying? Looking marvelous. So this is what I'm talking about. And we now start spring. And you now start spring and seeing this kind of progress. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I have to show updates because I'm telling you guys, you don't have to use all them kind of manure they have. You could use natural remedy and grow healthy product. Well, for some people, I understand. Not everybody really have the space, and some people ain't have the kind of dirt. Some people have a lot of red clay. Some people have the dry dirt. So yes, I understand you have to find stuff to try to richen the soil. I understand that. I understand that. So, to the people who have the backyard and able to gather grass, able to gather bush, and all them things, you can do your thing without going to the store and buy those kind of manure. Like for instance, the person who doing raised bed. If you're doing raised bed, you could get grass. Let me show you a little demonstration of what I'm talking about, which I have videos showing everything. Okay? These grass, you'll be surprised what these grass can do. And if you mix them with dirt, they're not going to take long to rotten. So if you have a raised bed, sometime when you cut your lawn, you could use the same grass and throw it in the raised bed. If you want, sometimes you could water it. Get it prepared. So within the next year, that's going to be ready. So you start preparing in this year for next season, and you will get good compost for your vegetables. Right now, I'm planning and plant all this area. I have some meadows that I want to plant here. Right now, I'm just focusing on planting the stuff that really can stand the weather. That's what I'm really focusing on. So right now you basically could plant anything because the weather start changing. This is some banana pepper that I plant. Guys, you must plant banana pepper. The reason I'm telling you that, because banana pepper bear non-stop. If you take care of them, they will bear from when they start bear till November. So make sure you grab some banana pepper for your garden. These are some tomato that I plant. These are the kind of tomato. Yeah, this is the tomato that I plant. You know, and you know, they're coming along pretty well. I set some cucumber here. I also, you know, this is the onion. The onion start looking healthy. Look how the onion start looking healthy here. You know, everything looking beautiful. And this is the beginning of spring. So that's the reason why I'm telling you guys, the earlier you plant is going to benefit you a lot more. You're going to get a longer harvest. So certain things you might be able to do two crop, like cucumber. You could do 2 crop with cucumber, 3 crop within a year with cucumber. So it's just up to you guys. It's just up to you guys. Yeah, so I'm just excited because everything looking lovely, everything looking beautiful. So I'm excited. So I'm just showing you guys the updates of what's going on. So when you guys follow the step, follow my step, the way how I plan, the way how I care for the plan, the way how I show love to the plan, and you gonna reap great harvest. Because the plant, the more you take care of the plant, the more the plant love you, and the more the plant give back to you. The more you take care of the plant show more love to you. And the love it show for you is producing more. So you make sure you soften the earth. You make sure you wet them. I personally do not wet nothing wrong here as less it's small and it's in the middle of the summer. That's when I really start to wet stuff. Other than that, I really don't wet anything. And that's the honest truth. Only when they're small, and if in the summer that it's really hot, I'm gonna wet them as well, but not the big ones. Because the night dew always give that dew for the plant. So even you don't wet them, there's a dew that comes down at night, at early morning, and wet these plants. So they always have water. It's designed for that. Nature designed for the plant to always be watered. The trees, we don't walk and wet the trees. Nature provide. Okay, so if we have our little garden and we see like it's really hot and the plants them drying up, yes, gather some water, wet them. You cannot just plant and leave the garden. You're not gonna reap nothing. You always gotta be in your garden. I soften the root around my plant every 3 days. Once they're small. Once they get going, I might come once a week or once or 2 weeks to soften the root because they already get going. Small like this, you have to always be around your plant. You have to show love. Okay? So guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. I hope you all enjoying my videos. I'm so grateful for you guys because you guys motivate me. Thank you guys. Have a blessed and wonderful day.